the Mazup Full Body. Zero-gravity Shiatsu massage chair is designed to bring relaxation and wellness into your home. This premium massage chair features 14 fixed rollers that provide targeted relief for your neck, back, hips, and feet, along with full-body air compression for deep kneading and squeezing. For the best price, check the link in the description below or use the QR code at the end of this video. The zero-gravity technology allows you to recline into a weightless position, promoting relaxation and improved circulation. Arriving fully assembled, this chair is ready to use right out of the box. Additional features include shortcut keys for easy operation and a USB charging port for added convenience. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or invest in your overall well-being, this massage chair is the perfect addition to your home. It also makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones.